हेलो गाइज वेलकम टु ल नोट्स च्यानल। आज मैले तपाईँहरूको सामु 2071 पास्ट इयरको B.A.LL.B एक्जामिनेसनको अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन र त्यसको एन्सर लिएर आएको छु। होप यु विल लाइक इट। क्वेसन नम्बर 1 मा रहेको छ द टास्क अफ लेजिस्लेचर इज टु अप्सन ए लेजिस्लेट ल, बी पनिश द अफेन्डर्स, सी reward the good worker, and D none of the above. यसको सही एन्सर रहेको छ अप्सन ए लेजिस्लेट ल। त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 2 मा रहेको छ जजेस इन द सुप्रिम कोर्ट अफ नेपाल रिमेन इन द अफिस टिल द एज अफ अप्सन ए 60, B 65, C 70, D 75. यसको एन्सर रहेको छ अप्सन बी 65। त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 3 मा द एटर्नी जेनरल इज एपोइन्टेड फर अप्सन ए 3 years, B 5 years, C 7 years, D none of the above. And the correct answer is option D none of the above. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 4 मा रहेको छ Law is the command of sovereign is preached by option A Hobbes, B Montesquieu, C Austin, and D none of the above. And the correct answer is option C Austin. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 5 मा the task of social engineering is set by option A Loki, B Bentham, C Roscoe-Pound, and D Dugit. And the correct answer is option C Roscoe-Pound. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 6 मा oath of office of the President of Nepal is administered by option A Prime Minister, B Chief Justice, C Equality, D Chairman of Constituent Assembly. And the correct answer is option B Chief Justice. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 7 Constitutional Council is headed by option A President of Nepal, B Prime Minister, C Chief Justice, and D Chairman of Constituent Assembly. And the correct answer is option B Prime Minister. 8. Judge-made law is known as option A legislation, B custom, C equity, D precedent. And the correct answer is option D precedent. त्यसैगरी क्वेसन नम्बर 9 मा रहेको छ The Judicial Council is chaired by option A Chief Justice, B Speaker, C Law Minister, D Attorney General. And the correct answer is option A, Chief Justice. 10. A judge in appellate court retires at the age of option A, 60 years, B, 63 years, C, 65 years, D, 70 years. And the correct answer is option B, 63 years. Question number 11. Constituent Assembly is format for making of the option A, custom, B, precedent, C, constitution, and D, act. And the correct answer is option C, constitution. Question number 12. Which is not the source of law? Option A, legislation, B, precedent, C, custom, and D, articles of association. And the correct answer is option D, articles of association. Question number 13. The sovereignty of Nepal is vested with option A, President, B, Prime Minister, C, Speaker of HOR, D, People of Nepal. And the correct answer is option D, People of Nepal. Question number 14. Who is not the jurist? Option A, Pollock, B, Austin, C, Holland, and D, Newton. And the correct answer is option D, Newton. Question number 15. Autonomous legislation is the form of option A, supreme legislation, option B, subordinate legislation, option C, judicial legislation, option D, colonial legislation. And the answer is option B, subordinate legislation. Question number 16. Right to assembly is associated with option A, right to freedom, B, right to religion, C, right to justice, and D, right to equality. And the correct answer is option A, right to freedom. Question number 17. The President of Nepal appoints Chief Justice on the recommendation of option A, Constitutional Council, B, Bar Council, C, Defense Council, D, Judicial Council. And the correct answer is option A, Constitutional Council. Question number 18. Which is not the constitutional body under the Interim Constitution of Nepal 2063? Option A, Election Commission, B, National Women Commission, C, Public Service Commission, D, National Human Rights Commission. And the correct answer is Option B. National Women Commission. Question number 19. No person shall be prosecuted or punished for the same offence in a court of law more than once is called Option A. Principle of innocence. Option B. Principle of legality. Option C. Principle of natural justice. And Option D. Principle of double jeopardy. And the correct answer is Option D. Principle of double jeopardy. Question number 20. The Muluki in 2020 is the Option A. Specific law of the land. Option B. General law of the land. Option C. Moral law of the land. Option D. Fundamental law of the land. And the correct answer is Option B. General law of the land. Question number 21. Which is the court of record? Option A. Supreme Court. Option B. Administrative Court. Option C. Appellate Court. Option D. Special Court. And the correct answer is Option A. Supreme Court. Question number 22. Law made of legislature is called Option A. Ordinance. B. Act. C. Rule. D. Regulation. And the correct answer is Option B. Act. Question number 23. Ignorance of fact is Option A. Excusable. B. Justifiable. C. Not excusable. D. Reasonable. And the correct answer is Option A. Excusable. Question number 24. The Prime Minister of Nepal is elected by Option A. Constitutional Assembly. Option B. Legislature Parliament. Option C. People. Option D. Council of Ministers. And the correct answer is Option B. Legislature Parliament. Question number 25. The Attorney General of Nepal is appointed by President on the recommendation of Option A. Prime Minister. B. Council of Ministers. C. Chief Justice. D. Home Minister. And the correct answer is Option A. Prime Minister. Question number 26. Nepal is Option A. Unitary state. B. Federal state. C. Moral. And D. Obsolete. And the correct answer is Option B. Federal state. Question number 27. Who says rights and duties are correlated? Option A. Austin. B. Kelson. C. Salmon. D. Holland. And the correct answer is option C, salmon. Question number 28. Who is the head of state? A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Chief Justice, D. Chairman of Legislative. And the correct answer is option A, President. Question number 29. Ignorance of law is option A, justifiable, option B, reasonable, option C, excusable, option D, no excuse. And the correct answer is option D, no excuse. Question number 30. Who is the head of government? Option A, President, B, Prime Minister, C, Chief Justice, and D, Speaker of Legislature. And the correct answer is option B, Prime Minister.
भिडियो मन परेमा लाइक शेयर कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला स्पेशली ल पढ्ने साथीहरुलाई शेयर गरिदिनु होला